Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to cancel Stockx orders before it ships. So without further ado, let's get started. So the first thing you want to do is you want to head over to stockx.com. From here, you want to log in, and as you can see, there are all these kinds of sneakers here. Maybe you've ordered one and you want to cancel. Maybe you've ordered the wrong size, maybe you've changed your address, I don't know. Could be any reason, but nevertheless, you want to cancel, so I'll be showing you how. So you want to hover your mouse over here on your profile, click on your profile, and from here, you want to click on buying, on the buying tab, and you can see your current orders here. As you can see, I don't have any current orders, but it's pretty simple, really. You're going to see your order placed here, and on the right, there's going to be an option that says cancel your order. You want to click on that and just follow the steps provided. And if you encounter any problems, I highly encourage you to reach out to support. So I hope this video helped you out today. If it did, please leave a like, hit subscribe, and if you have any further questions, leave a comment down below. Thanks again for watching this video, and I'll see you on the next one.